Did you know a CV can be as crucial as a signature dish? It's your first impression, your culinary handshake. A standout CV is your key to unlocking culinary opportunities, setting you apart in a competitive world. Imagine your CV as a menu. Just as a well-crafted dish delights diners, a well-crafted CV captivates employers. It's not just about listing jobs, it's about showcasing your culinary journey and achievements. Your personal profile is the first taste employers get of you. Highlight your culinary experience and soft skills effectively. Make it memorable and impactful, leaving a lasting impression. Think of your profile as an amuse-bouche, a tantalizing introduction. It should be concise yet flavorful, showcasing your passion and dedication to the culinary arts. Identify the essential sections every chef CV must have. Present your work experience in a way that highlights your achievements. Much like a chef presenting a signature dish, list both hard and soft skills. Hard skills are your culinary techniques, while soft skills are your teamwork and creativity. Together, they create a well-rounded culinary professional. Explore how to list your culinary education and certifications. Continuous learning and certifications enhance your CV, much like seasoning enhances a dish. Present additional skills like languages and courses. They add depth to your CV, showcasing your commitment to growth and versatility in the culinary field. Understand the role of applicant tracking systems in the hiring process. Optimize your CV to pass ATS screenings, ensuring it reaches the right hands. Regular updates and tailoring your CV for each job application are crucial. It's like adjusting a recipe to suit different palates, ensuring your CV always hits the mark. A visually appealing CV can make a strong first impression, capturing the recruiter's attention instantly. With CVMaker, you'll find expertly designed templates to help you stand out effortlessly. Explore your options. Link in the description. Good luck!